camera.
Leave me alone.
Paparazzi.
Scary.
Are you filming?
Stuck in a bucket.
Just in a bucket. Oops.
I'm making it look at my screen. This is my sex puppet.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is.
And what do you...
You knocked down my calendar.
So I don't care.
I don't know. So you can also dance this way.
You're talented in many ways.
I can also dance. My calendar.
Oh, really? Yeah, but we've seen that before. That's not new.
What?
That's old. It's not new. We've seen that before. Cry face.
Dance my hat.
Oh yeah.
Stand on my chair. See?
And then he fall. Wish she could, wish she could throw her hat at me. That's like the 8th thing I knocked down today.
Well,
But
she told me like to be quiet too. So be quiet.